everyone. I am so excited that you have decided to start your oily journey with me. And today I just want to do a starter kit unboxing with you to tell you about the oils that you have in your kit or that are coming in the mail right now. And here is the diffuser that you might have gotten if you decided to go with the Desert Mist starter kit. We have this right here. So let's break open this beautiful box with this beautiful packaging and talk about your oils. So you slide this off, and then you are going to, there's a little ribbon here, going to flip this open, and most of your oils are going to be right here on the top in this beautiful display. And when you pop out the display, there's a ribbon right here that you can also pull out all of your oils. And what's really cool about this packaging is that you can also turn this into a display if you decide to get into the business and want to have like a gathering and display your oils. They can be set down on a surface and displayed really beautifully like that. So let's go ahead and start talking about the oils that are right here on the top when you open up your kit. So I'm going to grab Raven first. Raven is a very supporting oil for respiratory comfort. It is also very similar to the oil RC, which stands for respiratory comfort. It's very invigorating and uplifting, and it has oils like lemon, wintergreen, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata. So it has some very uplifting, cooling oils that are really great. I like to just put a drop of Raven into my palms, and I'll rub them together and maybe put a little bit of a carrier oil, which could be like coconut oil or jojoba oil or almond oil, and rub it in my palms and just kind of smell it, and it's just a very refreshing aroma. So that's Raven. Now we have what is known commonly as the Swiss Army knife of oils, which is lavender. So lavender can be used for so many things. It's most commonly known for its calming properties. It's a very calming oil. I like to put lavender in my diffuser in my daughter's room a lot. My daughter is almost 3 years old, and I'll often pair lavender with cedar wood as well for a very calming environment for bedtime or nap time. So lavender is calming. It's really great for your skin, so you can add, and it's also great for hair. So sometimes I'll make my own little hair mist that helps with hair growth and hair strength. And so I'll put lavender in that. You can also add this to any homemade hair or skin products that you might want to make at home if you are into DIYs. Lavender I sometimes put with some carrier oil. If you get like a cut or a scrape or a burn, it's really great for skin help too. You got an ouchie, then it's really great for kids to just say, oh, let's just roll some lavender on it. Okay, another super versatile oil is frankincense. So a lot of us think of the Bible when we hear frankincense, and we think of the Christmas story and the nativity. But frankincense is also like lavender in that it's really great for your hair and your skin. It's also very immune supporting. So during yucky like flu and cold season, we ramp up our use of frankincense in our diffusers, in our bedrooms, in our living room, and we also have it in rollers that we can roll on our feet for quick absorption, or our spines for some immune support. It's also very gentle, so I use frankincense just a tiny bit on my infant's feet as well for immune support, especially during yucky illness season or when the seasons are changing. Okay, next up is Valor, which I actually have in my diffuser right now. Valor is sometimes referred to as courage or bravery in a bottle. It is really cool because it actually has one of the oils in this blend is blue tansy. So when you drop it on, it has a blue color to it. So just make sure you're being careful if you're gonna drop it on and roll it on your wrists, to roll up your sleeves so it doesn't get on your clothes. But Valor is awesome. It's really great for if you have kids who might have some anxiety or nervousness around new things or going to school. This is great in a roller to roll on the way to school in the morning. I roll it on as a teacher at the beginning of the school year when I'm just getting back into a new routine, or even before I'm making a video. I like to put lavender and Valor in the diffuser, and also roll it on my wrists, and sometimes behind my ears too is a great spot for rolling on some courage. Next up, we have, if I can get it up, Panaway, which is an oil that the guys tend to really like. So if you work out a lot and with lifting weights or just any kind of intense exercise, Panaway is your best friend. Again, it's an oil that is kind of like a hot or warm oil. So when you put it directly on your skin, you might start to feel your skin heat up a little bit. It has oils in this blend like peppermint and wintergreen, and so it's very invigorating, and so it's recommended to put a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil with it in a roller, and you can roll it on sore back muscles or shoulder muscles or neck or legs, whatever might be just needing a little bit of help after an intense workout, or just like if you're on your feet all day. As a teacher, I'm on my feet all day, and sometimes I'm not the best with my posture, so this can really help with like sore feet or sore back from being on your feet on the job too. Okay, so if you notice, let me hold up the display again. There are oils on the top that just have straight colored labels, and then these 5 oils on the bottom are white with the name in the middle, and I'm going to tell you why. The oils that have the white labels are known as vitality oils. So vitality means that you can ingest these oils safely. There are 3 ways to use oils. You can take them internally or ingest them. You can diffuse them aromatically, like in a diffuser, and you can also put them on topically, straight onto your skin, or with a carrier oil. So these vitality oils with the white label can be taken internally. There are a few ways that you can do that. I'm holding up Citrus Fresh right now, which I love to put a drop or 2 into my water. Citrus Fresh is a blend of citrus oils, but it also has spearmint in it, so it has a very invigorating, interesting taste. That's just a great little additive and boost to water, and adding citrus fresh really helps me to drink more water throughout the day to add a little bit of flavor. So adding to water is one great way to use the vitality oils. You can add them while you're cooking. So lime is not in the starter kit, but I like to add lime vitality to, like, if I'm making homemade guacamole or some kind of dish that would be great with citrus. You can add citrus fresh to your guacamole too if you would like. So citrus fresh is the first vitality oil that comes in the kit. We also have Thieves Vitality, and I can go on and on about how much I love Thieves, and I love that it is a vitality oil because it is so supporting to your immune system. Thieves can be dropped in water. You want to stick to maybe like 1, maybe 2 drops because it has a very spicy, strong flavor. But if you're just starting to feel like you need a little extra immune boost, something might be coming on, then a drop or 2 of Thieves in your water, or an herbal tea, maybe with some honey, is also great. Thieves can be taken, any of the vitality oils can also be taken in a capsule. You can make your own little gel capsules and take them internally, and it's just really quick and easy that way. Lemon Vitality is another awesome oil for dropping in your water or adding to cooking dishes that would be well paired with a citrusy flavor. Peppermint Vitality is great for a little quick breath freshener. Sometimes when I try to avoid chewing gum because of the sugar and the other not so great ingredients, I like to try a drop of peppermint vitality on my tongue to just have a quick invigorating breath freshener, and it's also a quick wake me up too. Peppermint vitality can also be added to a herbal tea with or without honey. I like to add honey, but if you go without, then that's great too. And last but not least with our vitality oils is Digize Vitality, which I call my tummy roller. I actually have one of the roller fitments that comes with your starter kit. If I can unscrew it. So this roller fitment can be interchanged with the regular dropper top, and you can just roll this straight on your abdomen if you're just feeling like your digestive system needs a little support after maybe eating some holiday foods or foods that you don't usually eat or that are giving you some tummy trouble. Then Digize is great for that. Okay, now we're going to get into the inside of this box because there are some bonus oils in here too. So in the inside part of your box, you'll pull this little ribbon up, and there's some bonus goodies in here. So first I want to tell you about the Thieves spray. Okay, so Thieves again is one of my absolute favorite product lines from Young Living because it cleans, but it also is immune supporting. So this is so handy in your diaper bag or your purse, or keep one in your car, or just keep it on the countertop in the kitchen or living room. And this is just great for spraying down any surfaces that might tend to have a buildup of germs, or when you're out and about and want to spray something down, so the spray is wonderful. Stress Away is one of my other favorite emotion supporting oils. Stress Away, its name is kind of a giveaway. It is great for moms who are on the go with the kiddos. If you're just having an overwhelming day, it's great to roll on. There are 2 Aroma Glide fit mitts that come just like I showed you with the dye dries with the roller that you can put straight on. I also like to put a roller on the top of my Stress Away and just throw this in my purse or diaper bag and just have it when I just need a little bit of a happy boost. It has oils like lime and vanilla, so it's kind of like a warm tropical aroma. Some people refer to it as kind of like the beach or a vacation in a bottle. And Peace and Calming is the last oil that I'm going to talk about from your starter kit, and it is really the oil that sold me on Young Living and the essential oils, because it is just so emotion supporting in such a positive way. It's great for kids on days when you just need to settle down for you as a mom or for your kiddos, or if you babysit or are a nanny or a teacher. Peace and Calming is a great oil to diffuse in a classroom or your baby or child's nursery or room. It's great for bedtime and nap time. I just love, love, love Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming has tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, which I love patchouli, and blue tansy. So just like Valor has blue tansy and it has that blue color to it, with the orange and the blue tansy, it kind of has a green color if you like put it straight on. So great for rolling on the wrists. You can even use it as a perfume because the scent or the smell or aroma is just so amazing. Love Peace and Calming. Okay. And our last little sample that you have in the kit is 2 packets of Ninja Red. Ninja Red is an amazing antioxidant drink. It's 2 ounces in a pouch, which is all you need. That's an adult size serving. My husband and I drink these packets, and then we also give just a half an ounce in a little container to our toddler for a great immune and digestive boost. It has so many amazing whole fruit juices. It has wolfberry superfruit, and it has some great essential oils that are very supporting, like lemon oil, tangerine, orange oil, which are just really great for lots of different body systems. Very supporting, great for keeping your immune system strong. Okay, so I am so excited for you and you starting your journey with Young Living with your starter kit and your new diffuser. And please reach out to me if you have any questions about how to use your oils or get started. Happy oiling!